You see, today IFA is a kind of a award event which, to a certain extent, has its own draw. There are times when there are certain institutions, there are certain banners, film banners, there are certain products, there are certain people, there are certain, it all depends on the kind of work you do, how honestly you do it. तो उसका एक अलग ड्रॉ हो जाता है. सो आईफा बाय इटसेल्फ, आप तो शायद और मेरी बात कर रहे हैं, जो भी आए तो उनके, हम नहीं भी जाएंगे तो भी मुझे लगता है ये शो फुल जाएगा.
I think I've shared a wonderful experience with IFA. Almost 5 shows. I think this is the 5th time I'm going to be performing for IFA, and that's very exciting. And this time, under the supervision of the great Prabhu Deva, that's extremely exciting. I just told Prabhu sir some time back that I'm not a trained dancer, but I'm quite energetic. So hopefully he'll manage to make me dance well.
IFA and me have been trying to do something for the last 5 years. I performed in 2004, which was, I started working in 2003. So it was the first year that I had entered as an actor into the film industry, and I performed for IFA. I performed in 2005. And ever since then, for various reasons, I don't know why, we never were able to come together and do something.
I have to say that, one of the reasons why I'm also so closely associated with IFA is also because it's so exceptional as an event. It's not only sort of taken films, but it's also taken the business of our film industry to such a huge global level that it makes me mighty, mighty proud not only to be a part of IFA, but also to be a part of the Indian cinema. And thanks to you guys that you make us feel so important every time we travel in those 3 days with the entire Viscraft team.
This is the first time I'm going to choreograph an award show in my life. Actually, more than actors and everybody, I am a little tensed, but I am working hard for it. Let me do the best. I will do my best.
I'm hosting the whole show, which will be about 7 segments, so about 2.5 hours, and I'm performing. So I don't really think I'll get too much time for anything else. I hope I do, but I think I'll be very busy rehearsing and working hard because, when you're live, you can't make any mistakes, and there is a lot that I'm doing this year. So I think I'll be pretty occupied. Apart from promoting my film, if I get an opportunity to do that somewhere in Singapore, maybe I'll do that. But yeah, I guess that's it. Like you said, Shahrukh Bhai is an absolutely fantastic host. I think Bhuman sir and Ritesh have been doing such a good job in the past few years with IFA. So I think there's so many people who are very, very entertaining. I think even when Ranbir and Imran or Ranbir and Shahrukh Bhai host Filmfare, they do a fantastic job with it. So I think everybody has their own way of hosting and their own way of entertaining. I have my own.
काफ़ी साल बाद मैं ये इस आईफा अवार्ड में मैं दिखाऊंगा. बहुत टाइम हो गया. एक्चुअली मेरे बाल भी थोड़े छोटे हो गए पहले से, तो आईफा में मैं थोड़ा डांस करूंगा पूरा. ओ मेरी जा मेरे को मजनू बना के कहाँ चल दी प्यार की पुंगी बजा के. चिंता ता सुमड़ी में लेके जाऊं और सबको मैं सिखाऊं क्या. चिंता ता चिता.
क्या हो गया, मुझे आजकल बड़े बड़े अवार्ड्स मिल रहे हैं, तो जैसे कि सो आई एम वेरी, इसी मैंने कभी भी, जैसे कि अभी परसों ही मुझे एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री की मैंने, ट्रैप विद ट्रेडिशन, और उसके लिए मुझे गोल्ड मेडल मिला न्यूयॉर्क में, एंड विच इज़ अ ह्यूज ऑनर फॉर मी, for the entire team who was part of this documentary. देखिए, ये तो जूरी जो है वो वोटिंग सिस्टम है, और जूरी तो नहीं है, मगर it's जैसे कि आपने कहा, पता होगा कि यहाँ एक किस्म की वोटिंग्स होती हैं, which is तो that's वो अल्टीमेटली उसकी काउंटिंग होगी, उसके बाद डिसाइड किया जाएगा कि किसको अवार्ड मिलने वाला है.